Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to convert a video into an audio on the CapCut PC. So if you want to extract a music from a video file, you can just do it by converting the video. So what you need to do is go to the audio options in here at the top and find the extracted audios. Here, click on import. Then just find the video files that you want to extract. Okay, so I'm going to extract this songs from a video. Then click on open. Okay, now the video will be converted into an audio like this. And to add it to your track, just click on the plus icon in here. Okay, so that's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks button below.